Despite being small, birds are a top-notch helper, even for the tiniest tasks like these. If Woody could talk, he might just go,
"Hey buddy, I need my space too. Ease up on the clinginess."
Parrots bring serious energy, so powerful that even us humans can get swept away by it.
What?
When food is calling, no door is too tricky to crack open. Despite sharing similar wings, these friends seems more like enemies.
Give me first. Good boy. Wait, come over here. Good boy. Give me another one.
Who? Dua Lipa. Like,
Easy, girl, easy. I just want to get close to the camera and bust out my latest dance moves for ya. Even with a nightclub closed today, she's ready to party anywhere else. These guys have their special signal to tell their owners when it's chow time.
And has done Lord knows what.
If you're the only one here who can't fly, better not play with these guys. Parrot imitation ain't just about mimicking voices. It's on the next level, especially for those with serious OCD. Animals these days also see the perks of knowing their way around technology. It's an advantage for sure. You have only two choices: get him the toy he loves or prepare for a working day disturbed by him. Curiosity can stir up an unexpected mess. Let's just hope everything turns out fine for this guy.
What are you doing?
It's like she's having her personal brushing soundtrack, thanks to our feathered buddy.
Remember our talk, human? Tissues go in the box, not scattered around like this.
Birds aren't fans of the tucked-in look. It triggers them, like a fashion faux pas in their world. Here's a fun way to test if you're a dizzy champ or not. You don't need an intense song for a lullaby. Something simple can knock you out just fine. Parrots are basically cats that have wings and beaks and share a bunch of common traits. What will happen when two evenly matched players join forces in the same game of destiny?
Alright, I found my Uber. But wait, why is it so slow? I'm even faster.
Did you know that love language between birdies can be extremely adorable like that? Consider before getting a parrot, your love won't belong to just one anymore. It's a shared affair. God gave him a goofy look, so he's gotta embrace it and do goofy stuff too. Check out this new mouse smash game, as awesome as the original. Thanks for watching.
Achoo! Achoo!
This bird buddy took the fetch game to a whole new level, literally and figuratively. Little Bud totally rewrote the skateboard game. He's gotta be like a genius with an IQ of 200 or something. Don't be surprised if your neighbor always sounds like they're fixing something. It's their bird doing it. Give him a couple days and he'll unlock not just food boxes, but any door. Agent P's on a thrilling treat stealing mission. Let's see if he nails it. Folks always say, sharp as a hawk's eye, but maybe they should include parrots in that definition too. Feather friends are Balance Pro. Drop a comment if you're on board with that. OCD birds are like, hey, I gotta have everything just perfect for my dream nest.